Here is my strawberry pick of the day, just from this small hoop house.
Oh my god, they're so good.
Right? Ooh, strawberry pick of the day. Okay, so the hoop house. We put this hoop house up almost the end of the season last year, right?
Yep.
From some hoops that I had purchased years ago that I had stashed away and was ready to build a grow house, but we really were looking for a house with some land, and now we have it, so now it's up. And we've been growing garlic in here. Garlic. It's kind of dying back. I don't know what's wrong with it. Some strawberries. More strawberries. I had these strawberries over by where the small herb garden is, which I'll show you in my next video. But they are doing awesome. And I think this is either more garlic or some onions. Oh yes, red onion. Red onion. We have some red onion up here. These are the shelves we germinated seed this year in and grew most of my plants. We have a light here and a light there to extend the grow season, and of course we have lids on all the boxes. See this lid? This lid has plastic wrapped over it like 3 times and stapled on. And this year we will build one for here, and this is where we will germinate all our seed come end of winter, beginning of spring. We leave the door open because it's really hot in there. We have some collards in there that we transplanted around March that were inside in that bucket that I showed you that is in the big hoop house. And that's pretty much it. Later on, this is 6 mil plastic from Home Depot, and we were able to keep plants alive here from March to what, mid-May. We tried putting stuff out in May and it ended up snowing, so we know better for next year. We won't do that again because now we have the big grow house and the little hoop house. We also are building this little thing for just my dwarf trees and bushes, and we have that garden over there that I will give you a tour of very shortly. The camper was there. We will be putting a longer hoop house here towards the end of the season. I really don't want to do it right now because I'm going away for a few weeks and I don't have the time. And the hoop house is happy here for now. Hopefully when all this dies back and dies down, we will move it to the grass. That way it's easily accessible from the deck. It's got shade where it needs to have shade and sun where it needs to have sun. Because right now I think that my tomato plants are like burning in the sun or something. I don't know. But you know, it's all trial and error, right? The better you get, the more you can grow, the more you can grow, the more you have, and the easier it becomes. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for today. I'll try to post a video once or twice a week. And again, if you like, please give me a thumbs up. If you know someone who's interested in this stuff or has questions, comment below, share my video. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Bye.